Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step how to connect your GatesFX account to MetaTrader 5. First, you need to retrieve your account credentials. Open your web browser and log in to your GatesFX client portal. After you log in, go to your trading account section. Choose either your demo or live account. You can also create a new one easily. After creating the account, go to the account's overview section. Here, look for your account and click on View to see its details. Inside the account details, you will find three important pieces of information. You will see your MT5 login number, your trading password, and your server name. Keep this page open or copy these details somewhere safe because you will need them in the next steps. Now open the MetaTrader 5 application on your desktop or mobile device. Next, go to the top menu and click on File. Then select Open an account. A new window will appear. In the search box, type GatesFX. The platform will display the available servers. Choose the correct server that matches your account type, such as live or demo. Next, enter your login ID and your password exactly as shown in your client portal. After entering the details, click Finish or Login. Finally, check the bottom right corner of the platform. If you see a green connection icon and live market prices updating, your account is successfully connected. Thanks for watching.